Good morning, everyone. Today I'm back with Ginger over at Ginger's Corner, and we are doing Amazing Grace, and it's all about unmerited love. And we're supposed to create a cross with at least 2 layers, and our the person who came up with it was Peggy Shaw. And so I picked out a verse that I really like, and it's 1 John 3:1, and it's, "See how great a love Father has bestowed on us, that we would be called the children of God, and such we are." And so I'm going to use that verse, and I cut out a frame for it. Here's one that I have done, but I decided I'm going to use black here instead of the gold. I like the idea of the gold, but it just doesn't show up well. So I'm going to use this, and I've already started one, so I'm going to go with that. So I don't have to, this is kind of hard to glue on, but at least I got part of it done. So it's like, it's so thin. It's like it takes a long time, so I'm going to try to be faster here. Now this was the paper I was just using on the last layout I did earlier today, well 15 minutes ago. And anyway, it's like I thought, oh, that would be so pretty with Bible verse on it. So that's what I decided on. And so now, oh, and this, it says strength, and it's in the shape of a cross. So I thought that was really cute, and it was really neat. I don't know if it's cute, but it's you know, we're supposed to get our strength from Him. And so anyway, I thought this was neat, and I got it at Temu. I have another one that says, it actually says Amazing Grace. Okay, so I'm going to kind of overlap that close to the letters, but not overlapping them. And I just loved how it said strength. I think they had different words, but that one I thought is a really good one to have. See? So you can see it this way. But it's supposed to be shown like that. And I'm going to shut this real quick because the rest is going to be stickers. Okay, so then I'm going to use from the sticker sheet, since I'm using that collection, I figured I might as well really go with it. And where is the page I want? So I don't know if I have enough stickers for everything, but I've got lots of die cuts too, so I might use die cuts for part of it. But I thought I would put like a branch. And so on this one I'll use this. And then a flower. I know there's flowers here. Yep, right here. And then a flower. I'm going to try to stay to the smaller flowers. And then maybe, if I use a bigger flower, then I might not use a butterfly, but otherwise I think I'm going to try to use a butterfly. Like that, and that will be it. So you've seen this one, and actually I forgot "we" in here, so it's like, well, I'm glad it was the gold one, but I like it with the gold. It's just that I like how it shows up better with this. So that's it for today. It's really a quick one, but so I just need to make 8 of them. The hard part is actually getting this off the die cut mat. So Thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful and blessed day, and I will have a close-up at the end. Bye-bye. Oh wait, I forgot to tell you, go down below will be a link to everybody who is making embellishments and individually. Otherwise, you can go over to one link that just takes you to the YouTube channel where you can just go from one to the next. Okay, now I'm really done. Bye-bye.